Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ManyChat login issues in 2026. If you can't sign in to your account, don't worry. These simple troubleshooting steps usually solve the problem, so let's get started. First, make sure you're using the correct email address or the same Google or Facebook account you used to create your ManyChat account. Yeah, signing in with the wrong account is one of the most common causes of login problems. Next, if you're using email and password, click the **forgot password ** option and follow the instructions to reset your password. Then try signing in again. Now clear your browser's cache and cookies, or open ManyChat in an incognito window. Outdated browser data or extensions can sometimes prevent the login page from working properly. If you're signing in with Facebook or Google, confirm that your account is active and that you've granted the required permissions. If necessary, reconnect your account and try again. Finally, if the issue still isn't resolved, try using a different browser or device. If you're still unable to access your account, contact ManyChat support and include any error messages or screenshots to help them troubleshoot the problem. And that's it. Now you know how to fix the most common ManyChat login issues. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.